मैंने देखी है गहराइया पिक्चर, और वो पिक्चर डायरेक्ट किया है शकुन बत्रा ने। और शकुन बत्रा का पिक्चर देख के मेरे को डॉक्टर पत्रा के क्लिनिक में जाना पड़ा दवाई लेने के लिए। इतनी घटिया वाहियात, अव्वल नंबर के एक नंबर का थर्ड क्लास गांडू पिक्चर है ये गहराइया। एकदम थर्ड क्लास, बिल्कुल कुछ दम नहीं है, स्टोरी में दम नहीं है, स्क्रीन प्ले में दम नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। सिर्फ चुम्मा चाटी है और समुंदर पे समुंदर पे समुंदर पे समुंदर पे और होटल रिसोर्ट, बस वही पिक्चर है और कुछ नहीं है। नो नो नो, व्हाट आर द डायरेक्टर्स एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स ट्राइंग टू शो? व्हाट आर दे ट्राइंग टू शो? दैट गो स्लीप विथ योर सिस्टर, go sleep with your sister's husband, go sleep with your brother's wife, and calling it a new age cinema, out of the box cinema. This is what is the new age cinema. Disgusting and rubbish. This is what they are trying to prove. What a joke, man, what a joke. Seriously, if this is new age cinema, then I think the whole generation needs to go to Mars and study. क्या बोले भाई, क्या बोले? Basically, this movie is about a pimp, Siddhant Chaturvedi, high-class pimp. That's all. In my eyes, that is it. I can't see beyond that. Okay? And I don't want to see also. Okay? High-class pimp who is going in the hotel with Deepika Padukone, who is the elder cousin sister. Ghapagap, tapatap, dhantanatan. That's it. Going off. Then in his bedroom, he is going after his current girlfriend they are showing in the film. That is Struggling Pandey. So this all will go on. That's all is the movie. Once in the hotel, tapatap, ghapagap, santanatan. Then in the bedroom, tapatap, dhatatat, santanatan. That's all. और कुछ नहीं है पिक्चर में, सिर्फ यही है. So this is what they are trying to prove and telling it a new age cinema. After some days, Bollywood will start promoting sex with mother, sex with father, sex with grandmother, and call it the hyper generation, super generation cinema. And they will blame the audience for not watching, not bothering or critiquing in a harsh way. Sir, these type of films, only high class society, 1% of the Indians who are living a very high lifestyle, they'll change partners like it is a pair of underwear. They'll change partners like it is a pair of bra. Like that, they'll be changing partners after partners after partners every year. 4 partners, 5 partners. Choda chudi after choda chudi after choda chudi after choda chudi. Those people only can relate to. Normal Indians who are living a civilized life, proper middle class lifestyle, they cannot relate to this type of films. So don't blame the audience first of all. And this is not a new age cinema. This is a third class rubbish cinema basically. If you want to see new age cinema, watch Super Deluxe, watch Jallikattu, means watch Tumbad movie. And people are saying that Tumbad Bollywood has made. Tumbad Bollywood has not made. Tumbad basically Marathi industry people have made. Marathi people have made it in Hindi language. That's why they're calling it Bollywood film. Bollywood का औकात ही नहीं है तुम्बाड़ जैसे फिल्म बनाने के लिए, ठीक है? And people are saying this Karan Johar, he has produced this film. This is what is expected of him. This is what is expected. This type of things happens in Bandra and Juhu the most. They'll be changing partners like it is a pair of underwear, like it's a pair of bra. Every year one partner they'll carry. Sex after sex after sex, gapagap after gapagap, gapagap after gapagap. That's all is going on. Story, screenplay तो घटिया है ही. गाने में भी दम नहीं है. Only one song is okay, not up to the mark or not worth remembering. If this picture would have come in the theaters, producers, then distributors, exhibitors, everybody डूब जाते, मतलब डूब गए होते. They would have singing डूब गए on the roads. इतना loss होती. Means first day the shows would have been cancelled and means only one person would have been seeing the movie in private screening, like it's happening for previous Bollywood films other than Suryavanshi. So story, screenplay, music, over. Means Ram Naam Satya hai, over. Then even the dialogues, ekdam ghatiya, not even a single meaningful or powerful dialogues. Means this type of story, even in Cocktail it happened, even in Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna it happened. Those had good alphas, dialogues it had, Hindi dialogues. Here dialogues are fuck, I fucking can't, I fucking won't. Means it's like fucking, that's it. Half dialogues are in English, half dialogues are in Hindi. मतलब कुछ नहीं है. मतलब each and every aspect in this movie is a disaster. Only some BGM here and there, it's okay. Talking about the acting performance, Deepika Padukone is a sensational actress. She has done great roles like Rani Padmavat. Then Ram Leela, she has acted very well. She has played. Then she has played this same type of role in Cocktail. That was a much better movie. That was a much impactful and entertaining movie. Here, not even an E of entertainment is there. Not even an E of entertainment is there in this movie. So in this movie, acting is usual self she's playing. So the actor can be as good as the script, right? The script is only Ghatia, third class script is there. Screenplay is Ghatia, third class screenplay. So acting also will be the same. Then Siddhant Chaturvedi, he is giving big bhashan in the conference saying that जहाँ पर हम का struggle खत्म होता है वहाँ इनका शुरू होता है. अरे भाई, that time you did Gully Boy MC share. That's why whole India has said बहुत hard and appreciated you. If you would have made your debut with pictures like Bunty or Bubbly 2 and Gheraiya, people would have thrown tomato and chappal at you. They would have not even cared. Nothing they would have said. So this is what happens when you do a good film and when you do a third class rubbish film. How much perception of the public changes. Clean example of that. He's a good actor, but he should shoot better script. But Bollywood doesn't have good writers, good directors. They know only all this gappa gup, tapatap, dhantanatan. That's all they know. So he cannot help it. That's why tomorrow Deepika Padukone is going and working with South directors with Nag Ashwin Project K, and now she's saying she wants to work in more interesting South Indian films because she knows Bollywood is a kachra garbage directors are there. Not even one interesting. These all films if they do means मतलब पूरा loss हो जाएगा पूरा. Then struggling Pandey still struggling with acting. Nothing, no acting only laugh was coming in the screen seeing her struggling to act. Means horrible. And another guy is there. That character was very good. Compared to these three characters, that character was very good. He moved on with his life in the climax. He didn't want to stay in the toxic relationship. Very good. I like that character. But acting is as usual. Nothing exceptional or anything, but the character was very good. That was the only positive character. That can, if people are watching that, if you're sensible, follow that character who was Deepika Padukone's initial boyfriend. Follow that character. Be like him. Move on. Don't be in this toxic relationship. What a toxic relationship. And they are saying that you have to feel some love, you have to be laid to understand such films. I don't want to be in such a toxic rubbish relationship where I have to cut my veins, I have to cut my hand and show and put tears after tears. Arey jo hu main khush hu bhai. I don't want to get into all those rubbish. Overall, this movie is a third class rubbish. My ratings for this movie is 0 -0 to the power infinity. मतलब ये सब पिक्चर आएगा तो मतलब बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री से थिएटर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर सबका धंधा बंद हो जाएगा. एकदम घटिया वाहियात पिक्चर है. So as a film this is a 0. As a soft porn also I'll give 1 out of 5 stars because more such entertainments happened in porn where Johnny Sins will be acting with mother, sister, partner, everyone he'll be acting. Better entertainment he'll be giving in porn films, soft porn films. Better entertainment will come. Here no entertainment, nothing. It is promoting more and more toxic relationship. Matlab it's okay if you sleep with your sister, if you sleep with your sister's fiance, brother's husband and call it a new age cinema. What is this bloody new age cinema? I don't understand. I don't want to understand also. It's a rubbish film. That's all I will understand.